Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Divam Snooker. Friends, today I am going to tell you about number of players in game in each team. Friends, I share very informative videos in my YouTube channel. If you like the video, kindly subscribe and share it to your friends and family members. Let's start the video. Cricket. Number of players 11. Hockey. Number of players 11. Kho-Kho. Number of players 9. Kabaddi. Number of players 7. Polo. Number of players 4. Water polo. Number of players 7. Lawn tennis. Number of players 1 or 2. Badminton. Number of players 1 or 2. Football. Number of players 11. Baseball. Number of players 9. Volleyball. Number of players 6. Basketball. Number of players 5. Rugby Football. Number of players 15. Table tennis. Number of players 1 or 2. Boxing. Number of players 1. Chess. Number of players 1. Lacrosse. Number of players 10. Netball. Number of players 7. Croquet. Number of players 3 or 6. Billiards or Snooker. Number of players 1. I hope you find the video very informative. Thanks for watching my video. Meet you again in my next video. Until then, bye bye.